Hi, this is Norse. This is my weekly watch list. It's Monday, the 14th of August. I don't have a lot of things on my watch list this week. I have a few pairs, but I need to wait for confirmation before I do anything else. The best looking pair, or it's not a pair, it's the instrument. It's Brent, it's the crude oil itself. That's the only thing that I'm actively trading at the moment. If you watched the last week's video, I showed the harmonic patterns coming down, so the measured move. We also have a measured move. Now we have a turtle soup. So a false break above a previous high. And if we go down to the 1 hour time frame, my trading time frame of choice, you can see it very clear here. So this break right here, it just fell like a hot knife through butter. So I activated EA. The only thing with this trade is that this trade is half of my regular size. I will reactivate the EA to sell more if we break the previous low right here on my data feed. That's 51.30. So what I'm waiting for right now on Brent is break that. A break and close below this will make me set the EA to sell on the EMA 50 test, something like this, and I will target the daily, weekly trend line down here. If we get some strong momentum right here, that will make me liquidate or make new decisions going down. But I'm bearish on Brent right now, and I'm just waiting for confirmation. So I have a high time frame turtle soup. The 1 hour EMA 50 is about to cross below the EMA 200, so both trend filters are lining up. And if you stay around for this video to the end, I will go through my entire checklist for trading this EA. It's not a big checklist, it's just a few points that helped me to avoid taking bad trades. So that's it for Brent. So if we break the triple bottom support right here, that will act as confirmation to my idea, and I will start to sell even more. NzdJPY, this was my trade of the year so far. In July, I had a big monster trade on gold. I managed to get 5 positions long on gold before I closed everything. I did the same thing with NzdJPY. I had 3 positions. So first one starting at 83, added here, added a third trade right here. Price it bounced from this support right here on the daily. So I'm now at the daily, switching back to the 1 hour chart. When I saw that the price was getting some momentum going up, so I thought a short squeeze was going to come. So I just closed 70% of my entire position. And that may have been the biggest mistake so far in 2017. I don't know yet, but that position got extremely big. In regards of sentiment and commitment of trader support, I was extremely biased to the downside on NzdJPY, so I increased my risk a lot on NzdJPY, and that also may have affected my decision on this trade. I don't know. So right now, all I'm doing now is to wait. So similar to Brent, I'm waiting for price to give me signs that it wants to go lower. So ideally, I would like a sharp down move, extremely sharp down move. The best thing would have been to take out the 7908 level and reactivate. So right now, I'm just waiting, and yeah, that's all I'm doing. UsdCad, I had started a position right here. You can see that the EMA 50 crossed above the EMA 200, breaking resistance. So I had 1, 2, and 3 trailing stops were below this low. So I barely made any profits from this trade. It was a perfect EMA 200 touch, and that took me out of my position. Right now, I'm waiting for price to get 40 pips to the upside, so taking out the prior highs. Then I will activate my EA to go long on this currency pair, and I will go for 129. I think this whole area is a very nice target for the UsdCad. So because we are coming from a high time frame support, so a big turtle soup pattern down here, double bottom, and price is having some nice short squeeze momentum going up. But the only risk with this trade is if price takes out this level and just squeeze and just push directly up without coming back to the EMA 50, I run the risk of not getting involved with this currency pair at all. But I don't mind missing a trade that much these days. That was a big problem for me previous, but not anymore. So that's my plan for UsdCad, just to wait and activate the EA if we break above the previous high. Dollar yen, the EA is no longer active to the short side because price have taken out the price objective I had for this currency pair. Spiked below and then immediately started to squeeze higher. And this pair has been very nice to trade for the last few weeks. So right now I'm just waiting. And if you have watched the dollar yen testing that I have on my YouTube channel, then if price comes down and pulls a double bottom, breaks the double bottom, then I will activate the EA to go long. But if price takes out the previous low, I will reactivate it to go short even more. So that's basically my entire trade plan for those 4 pairs. And I will update EuroJPY that I had on my list last week. I was bearish on this as well. I was bearish on all JPY pairs. I traded every JPY pair I could find except GBP JPY. And price was coming in to this after a big turtle soup pattern. So a double top and retracement, lower low, and then double top, shooting star. I went short, targeting the 129.50 level. And I took profit down here. I didn't hold for the entire move. And in hindsight, that looks bad, but it is what it is. I'm extremely happy with last week and the last week performance. So right now I'm using a lot of caution and yeah, a lot of patience this week. So, and in regards of the checklist I use for the trend following EA, we can use Brent as an example. Right now I'm extremely bearish, but I don't have enough confirmation yet. So I think that the trend will turn to the downside, but the confirmation would be the price actually showing me that it wants to head lower. So if we break key support or resistance, that will get me to check one of the boxes. Then I can activate the EA to go in the direction I want. So basically what I want is a established trend to appear and then just trade in the path of least resistance with this EA. And I will stop trading that direction if we come into a high time frame support or resistance. So that's basically it for my approach to trading this EA, at least for now. That might change over the course of the years. I don't know, but that's where I am right now. So high time frame support resistance will dictate my decision making with the EA. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and thank you a lot for subscribing and liking my videos. So until next time, I wish you good luck, and I will see you soon.